Hey guys, today we're doing the experiment test. We're gonna try to do microwave laptop, which is actually still working perfectly fine. Look at my application, still working perfectly fine. So this video, we're going to put it into the microwave and see how it's going to survive. So first of all, I'm gonna connect to better Wi-Fi. Here we go. We're doing the microwave test. So this is really don't try this at home. So if I microwave this, my laptop would not go into turn on anymore. But there's a way that the microwave could be run, but nothing happens. So also you should. The microwave in my home has a trick. Gonna not only the laptop, also going to put even the mouse and the charger cable adapter. So let's see on the I don't know if this laptop fit to it, so I'm going to try. So I just talked and it fell off this. So sorry about that. I'm holding it back right now. So, let's see if my laptop can fit. I feel like I should put a stick. It's not fit at all, guys. So that's it. I'm figuring out the way to put it in there. Alright guys, I think another situation for both. Put mouse. I feel like I feel like the longest the laptop that's more longer will not going to fit. That is my Dell Inspiron, but this one you can see. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off for safety because I don't want to get any damage. So first of all, let's time break. I don't want to shut down because I have application that's being opening. Hey, I'm going to put my iPad. Okay guys, I'm gonna attempt to put this laptop in. Alright, so in the good side. Here we go, but we're not gonna start. We'll do like this. So here you go. Look at that. I feel like I'll try only for some several seconds. Let's do one more time. This time we'll do this in 1 minute. I'm trying, guys. Don't worry about the rotate, guys. I do it like this. It's not going to overheating, so yeah. I'm counting the time by my memory. So almost 1 minute right now. There we go. And that's it. Take it out. I have to use two hands because I have to use two hands. I cannot. There we go. Next to up is the center and look at the rotate. It's all flipped over. I'm gonna edit right now. Alright, so here we go. Smell this microwave is not too good. There's too many food in it. Too many food that has put into my voice. So, alright. I can only do like that because if I start the percentage start the countess to damage it's too over. I just don't want to start it all. That's the joke we're putting in my way. We're gonna just see. Okay. Now let's bring it over here and try to can't pull it up. I really hope to start. Okay. As I say, nothing will happen because I did not start. If I put it and make I'm so I'm poking right now. See that will they still work? I hope it still work. Okay, so it's poking in right now. Perfectly fine, guys. So my computer is the only one that can fit. I feel like my dad and my sister are the Lenovo ThinkPad, which is small, but there are no key, which is on the right after the enter, on the right of on the right just here. I feel like they can fit into my way, and even my laptop which like this can fit. I have one more laptop which is a laptop at my home that is called Dell Invision Vision 2000, and that laptop will not going to fit into that my way because there's even a key number. That one's more longer, it will not fit, but at least I figure out some way to make this fit. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And as always, this laptop still works perfectly fine. Yes, yeah. Peace out.